A study on the prevalence of Klebsiella pneumoniae and its antibiotic resistance patterns from urine of students in a tertiary institution. Antimicrobial resistance, AMR, among microorganisms is a public health problem, especially in underdeveloped countries. Antibiotic-resistant bacterial infections, particularly those caused by multidrug-resistant, MDR, strains, can result in major health issues such as extended hospital stays, unsuccessful treatments, and even death. Klebsiella pneumoniae is a common bacterium responsible for many cases of urinary tract infections, UTIs. The growing resistance of this organism to various antibiotics is reducing the number of effective treatment choices. The aim of this study is to ascertain the occurrence and antibiotic resistance patterns of Klebsiella pneumoniae isolated from the urine of students in a tertiary institution. The experimental non-randomized trial research design was used in this research work. The study was conducted at the Department of Applied Microbiology of Enugu State University of Science and Technology, Enugu State, Nigeria. A total of 67 urine samples were collected aseptically from apparently healthy students. A loopful of each urine sample was inoculated on McConkey agar for significant bacterial growth. The isolates were identified using standard microbiological procedures. Results showed a mean bacterial load of 1.7 times 104 CFU ml from males and 2.1 times 104 CFU ml from females. Out of 67 urine samples collected, 17, 25.37%, yielded positive growth of Klebsiella pneumoniae. The male students had 6, 18.75%, from 32 urine samples, while female students had 11, 31.43%, from 35 urine samples. There was no significant difference, P0.05, in the prevalence rates among the male and female students. Isolated organisms had varying degrees of resistance to the antibiotics used. Klebsiella pneumoniae from males had resistance to the following antibiotics: amoxicillin at 83.3%, streptomycin and ofloxacin at 50% respectively, cotrimoxazole, amoxicillin, clavulanic acid and pefloxacin at 66.67% respectively, gentamicin at 83.3%, while Klebsiella pneumoniae from females had resistance on amoxicillin at 81.82%, streptomycin at 54.53%, sparfloxacin at 72.73%, ciprofloxacin at 63.64%. Generally, the isolates from females had more resistance to the antibiotics than the males. It was also observed that Klebsiella pneumoniae was resistant to more than 2 classes of antibiotics used in the study: beta-lactam, quinolones, and aminoglycosides. Multidrug resistance, MDR, index ranged from 0.1 to 0.5 for males and 0.2 to 0.9 for females. The high prevalence of Klebsiella pneumoniae and MDR index among the students in the study was a threat to their health and indicative of poor personal hygiene. To prevent antibiotic resistance, it is essential to carefully choose the right antibiotic and use it responsibly, following proper dosage and administration guidelines. Therefore, public enlightenment programs should be carried out to educate them on the prevention of urinary tract infections. Introduction. Klebsiella pneumoniae is a type of bacteria that naturally lives in the human body but can become harmful, especially in people with weak immune systems. It can cause serious infections like pneumonia, urinary tract infections, UTIs, liver abscesses, and blood infections. In recent years, this bacterium has become more dangerous because it is increasingly resistant to many antibiotics. This means the usual medicines used to treat infections are no longer effective, making the infections harder to cure. One area of concern is the urinary tract, where Klebsiella pneumoniae can cause UTIs, especially in women due to their anatomy. These infections can range from mild bladder infections to more severe kidney infections. The bacteria can survive and grow despite the body's immune response and treatment, making it important to study how resistant they are to antibiotics. This study focuses on understanding how common Klebsiella pneumoniae is in the urine of students from a tertiary institution and how resistant these bacteria are to antibiotics. By calculating the multiple antibiotic resistance (MAR) index, which shows how many antibiotics the bacteria can resist, researchers can figure out whether the bacteria are coming from environments where antibiotics are frequently misused. Understanding the level and pattern of antibiotic resistance can help guide treatment decisions and shape better policies to manage and prevent the spread of resistant bacteria. This study is especially important as there is limited research on this issue in the region being studied. Conclusion: Klebsiella pneumoniae was isolated from the urine of students of applied microbiology with a high prevalence rate. It is crucial to maintain good personal hygiene to reduce urinary tract infections caused by this organism. Also, this study recorded a high MDR index. To prevent antibiotic resistance, it is essential to carefully choose the right antibiotic and use it responsibly, following proper dosage and administration guidelines. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.